everyone, back with Legit Quiet Potato.
And I'm Shadow the Arctic Wolf.
Yeah, she's over there on the other computer. And we're here spreading the loaf in Julian 2's den.
Funny.
Oh my gosh, I got some mail! I really like your name. Thank you very much.
I'm just in your den spamming eats pillow, eats books. With my golden bunny.
Thanks. Can you put on YouTube? You won't.
You can put you, dude.
You, dude. Yeah. Look up. You're gonna like this. What is it?
Just open it.
It's a kangaroo!
A giant kangaroo.
I know, it's a plushie. Can I put that in my den?
Yeah.
Can I just like lay that in my den? Hi, other beans.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You in my den?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Stuff.
How hot I am. How hot am I? You're really hot. You're burning. You're burning. Can I put that? Oh, I can't put burning. Oh, I can.
Turning.
These people, this is just my family right here.
Eats books.
You guys love my family. Beans.
Am I gonna have to reload?
Pizza boys.
Oh my gosh. Pizza boys. Beans.
Oh, you in his den?
Yeah.
There's so many little quiet freaking. Oh my god. Oh, this person probably needs. Is that your thing? Is that? I'm trying to click awesomes. Nope, she has purple.
Lion boy.
Is it Miss Cotton? Nope, she has purple. Oh, who is this one? I can't get to its. You with the blue. Do you need a purple head flower? A bunny boy! Yes! Oh, it's a swaggy quiet bean! Oh, I'm already friends. Oh, that's you!
Yeah.
Kaya!
Duh.
Well, there's too many beans here that are Springy boys! Here, I'm gonna put my purple other one on trade. Oh. No, trade. No, that goes on trade. Put this one on trade. You know, guys, I worked so hard for this
There was a rainbow spiked collar.
This shaped heart thing, and I don't even like it. To be honest, it was a little too dark of a blue, so we're gonna put it on trade too. I put my wings on trade just to be rare, to look good. Spread the loaf. Spread the loaf.
I'm trying to get. Oh yes.
Spread
Oh yes, I'm gonna get a blackout spike.
Oh my god. Yes, we got this. We got this. Did my thing end? No. It's gonna end in like a few minutes because I'm only allowed to do like 5 minutes at a time, which sucks.
She declined for a gold.
Spread the loaf. Anyone?
A raccoon spinny boy.
Come on, stop being slow. Anyone need? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I had not had this music on this entire time. There we go. Anyone need flower? Purple flower? Purple head flower? A really nice. Oh, I thought it was a raccoon tail. I was like, gimme, 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 gimme.